One of the best parts about getting out in the outdoors is dinners in camp, and this is a staple product that makes that super easy. The old version of the cooking kit bag was in our lineup for a long time, and a couple years ago we updated it with the laser cut MOLLE, but essentially this thing has remained the same because it is just so handy for a really minimalist but also well-stocked camp kitchen that you can attach to your fridge. Up front, you've got a spot for another pouch, or you could even throw patches up there for ID panels, obviously some laser cut MOLLE, slide some tools in there, and then daisy chains. One thing we did change on this new version is that the old one just had 2 straps that go over fridge handles. Well, we noticed a trend. A lot of fridges now have their handles lower on the side of the fridge, so you can run them low down here or up high, just depending on what suits your setup the best. On the inside, we've got 4 sleeves for utensils. You could obviously like double up on those if you need to carry some more stuff because there's plenty of room. And then on the interior of the front panel, we've got 2 of our medium clear front Velcro pouches. I use one for oil, seasoning, stuff like that, and the other is just an assortment of spoons, knives, forks for us to eat. So the whole bag is made out of Cordura, so it's easy to wipe off, highly water resistant, and all of that good stuff. The handles are actually climbing webbing that run the full length of the bag, so nice and sturdy. On the back, you've got some more options for attachment, so if you don't want to clip this to your fridge with handles, you can use grim locks for other options. Like all of our products, it's made right here in our shop in Virginia and backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can get a lot of miles out of this thing. It's gonna stand up to lots of use, lots of delicious camp dinners, and you can leave this on your fridge full time because as you can see, when it's closed up, it's very low profile. You can find this and more great Overland gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.